Welcome to Kelly Hicks Construction in Sublet, where we are filming park models today. We're going to concentrate right now on unit number 10880. This is a Quailridge 39 ASL park model. You'll notice it has atrium window, and it's got a light beside the atrium for 3 outside lights total. Where you see them round caps, that is an outside light. This trailer has a green architectural shingled roof, green shutters, and cream siding. Good looking trailer. So if we head on in, I'll go ahead and show you the MSRP, just shy of $60,000. $59,227 and some change. So heading on in, several features are common to all Quailridges. Number one, everything in them stays in them. We've had this one decorated up, and it's waiting for somebody to call her mine. It's got lazy boy rocker recliner, sleeper sofa, built-in fireplace, dual end tables and big lamps, coffee table, kitchen table with 4 chairs. You can take the leave out and make it 10 inches smaller if you want. It's a chef's kitchen, as you can see. Nice big range hood, 5 burner range, stainless steel appliances, and there's the microwave. The dishes do stay with this one. Self-closing hinges. Little bit of storage underneath of the seats. Stainless steel faucet. Stainless steel sink. The faucet has a pull-out sprayer. Again, you've got adjustable shelving in most of the closets. Walking towards the back here, you got a 56,000 BTU furnace. You've got a pantry, pull-out pantry here. Solid core doors. That's a great big pantry slash linen closet. And I mean, that's a huge closet. You've got nice corner bathroom. Great big bathroom. Medicine cabinet, vanity, porcelain toilet. Glass doors. Combination shower and tub. There is mini blinds on all the windows. I'll let just a tad more light in here. See, it's nice and bright even on a cloudy day. So going on into the bedroom, this is a drop loft, so you actually step down into the master bedroom, and that gives the rear loft of this trailer about 14 extra inches of headroom for a total of 59.5. You've got your signature Quailridge wardrobe. Nice big cabinets. Full extension ball bearing drawer guides. This bed is a lift bed. You lift it up and you can store stuff underneath of it. Quailridge has the only park model that has Serta mattresses. Pocket door to the bedroom here. It's got a pretty private loft. That extended dormer really makes it bright in here. Like I say, today's not so bright of a day, but we got plenty of light in here. It's butter rum trim. That's where your entertainment center goes. And to head up to the loft, great big loft, and we put a helper AC in the back window. So there's your big loft. Got an entertainment center, 59.5 inch tall in the rear. Okay. Heading back downstairs. That pretty much concludes our tour. Again, this is a Quailridge 39 ASL. It's a nice trailer. List for just shy of $60,000. If you got any questions, give Kelly a call at 815-849-9089 and just reference unit number 10880. Have a great day.